We love you, sir.
Morning, Ryan Bonifacio.
Morning,
Our
sir.
topic is graphing quadratic functions. Now, the problem here is how to make a table of values. Okay, we will all relate this, the table of values based from the value of A.
Huwag alis ako.
So it is all related to the value of A. Now, we will base from the easiest quadratic function, which is equal to y equal to x squared. So, you position the vertex. So, the vertex of y equal to x squared is automatically at 0, 0. So, when x equal to 1, 2, 3, then minus 1 to the left side, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. Now, when x equal to 1, you just plug in 1 here, so that is 1 squared equal to 1. When x equal to 2, you plug in 2 here, 2 squared equal to 4. When x equal to 3, 3 squared, you plug in 3, so 3 squared is equal to 9. Now, what is the purpose of this axis of symmetry? So this axis of symmetry, EOS, that is your axis of symmetry. While this one, so since your graph, the value is positive, so your parabola here opens upward. So it will open upward since the value of A is equal to 1. Okay, so just reflect this. So since this is your axis of symmetry, 0, this value is also the value of negative 1 squared. Equal to 1, reflect the 4 to the other side, and 9 also when you square negative 3. Okay, so the values are 0, 1, 4, 9. Now, here, we will use this to find or make a table of values for any type of quadratic function. That is this way to make a table of values. A is for you to add 1 from the value of y from the vertex to the next value of y. Okay, increasing the value of x by 1, increase also the value of y by 1. If a is equal to 1. Always remember that that is only if a is equal to 1. Next is, so this is plus 1. Next value is 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. 1 plus 3. Okay? So that is now equal to 4. Next is plus 5. 4 plus 5 equal to 9. We will use these values to find a table of value for each function. Okay, so let's start with number 1. So, the function is y equal to x squared plus 6x plus 3. When you are making a table of values, your focus is on the vertex. So the vertex is at h, and we will plug in this h for your minimum or the maximum value of the function. That is your f of h. So instead of using the value of your k, okay? Instead of using k. So we solve for h. H is equal to negative b all over 2a. Your b is 6. So therefore this is negative 6 all over 2 times the value of a, which is equal to 1. So what is now the value? That is negative 6 all over 2, which is equal to negative 3. Now, if that is negative 3, then your table of values, x and then f of x or y. 1, 2, 3. This is for the left side of your vertex. So your h here is equal to negative 3. So 1, 2, 3. 3 values to the right side of your axis of symmetry. So increase 1 from the axis of symmetry for values of x going to the right, and decrease by 1 going to the left. So this is equal to negative 2, negative 1, then 0. Okay, for 0 values, you just look for the standard form of your quadratic function. That is automatically the value of C, which is equal to 3. So this is equal to 3. No need for you to plug in the 0 to the equation. Now, we know that your axis of symmetry is negative 3. Now, if we plug in negative 3 to our equation, y equal to negative 3 squared plus 6 times negative 3 plus 3, that is now equal to 9 minus 18 plus 3. So 9 minus 18 plus 3. What is 9 minus 18? Negative 9 plus 3 is equal to negative 6. Okay, so this is now your negative 6. Okay, instead of solving for the value of k, which is equal to 4ac minus b squared all over 4a, you just plug in the value to your axis of symmetry. That's why I put it here, f of h. Meaning you will plug in h to the value of x. Okay, so negative 6. Now, why I wrote here the simplest quadratic? Because we will use these values, okay, to make a table of values easier. So if this is 0, plus 1, plus 3, plus 5, we will do this also. So since our value of a is equal to 1 also here, so a is equal to 1. Once the value of a is equal to 1, you also add 1 from the value of your, what is this, upward. So this is from the minimum value, you will add also 1. So plus 1, that's equal to negative 5. Then, so since we added 3 here, added 3, so we add only 3 here also, plus 3. So negative 5 plus 3 equal to negative 2. So what we added here is 5. So what we are going to do here also is we add 5. Okay, as you notice, negative 2 plus 5 equal to 3, which is equal to the value of the constant when x is equal to 0. Now, reflection. Going to the right side, left side of your table of values, you just subtract by 1. This is negative 4, negative 5, and then negative 6. Okay, and then here, no need for you to solve for the values of y. Okay, this is your axis of symmetry. So therefore, you just reflect this negative 5 to the other side of your axis of symmetry. So this is also equal to negative 5, negative 2, then positive 3. Okay, next number 2. So we are focusing first using the standard form, the quadratic equation. Number 2. So your h is equal to negative b all over 2a. So negative of positive 4. So negative of 4 all over 2 times negative 1. That is now equal to negative 4 all over negative 2, which is equal to 2. So for you to find the value of your h, or simply plug in f of 2. Okay, meaning you will replace the value of your x by 2. So f of 2 is equal to negative of 2 squared plus 4 times 2 minus 2. So what is now the value? That is negative 4. So 2 squared positive 4 times negative 2. Then that's equal to plus 8. 4 times 2 minus 2. So what's the value? Equal to 2. So meaning, making use of your table of values, so making table of values x and then y. Okay, 1, 2, 3, position your vertex here. And then 1, 2, 3. Your vertex is at 2 and 2. 2, 2. Okay, plus 1 to the other side. So 3, 4, 5. Minus 1 to the left side. 1, 0, then negative 1. Your 0 is automatically negative 2. That is always the value of the constant. Now, what are we going to do with our table of values from the value of your f of 2? Okay, as you notice, your a is equal to the invisible negative 1. So what will you do is to start with the value of a. Instead of plus 1, our value of a here is 1, while in example 2, the value of a is negative 1. So we start with minus 1, instead of plus 1, minus 1, minus 3, and then minus 5. What is 2 minus 1? Equal to 1. 1 minus 3, negative 2. Negative 2 minus 5, okay? Negative 2 minus 5 equal to negative 7. As you notice, these are also equal. Okay? So we did not plug in 0 because that is the value of negative 2 is always the value of the function when x equal to 0. That is the value of your constant term. Okay, so negative 2, this is automatically negative 7. Okay, example number 3. So example number 3 regarding different value of a. So number 3 is y equal to 2x squared plus 8x plus 3. Okay, so we have different value now for a. If a is equal to 2, we will double only this, what we add from one value to another. Okay, so solve for h. What is our h? Negative b all over OA. So that is negative of, what is BA? All over 2 times positive 2. Negative 8 all over 4. It's equal to negative 2. So what is now our table of values? Start with x, y. 1, 2, 3. Vertex 1, 2, 3. So where is our vertex? Located here. Okay, so what is the vertex value of h? That is negative 2. So we add to the right, negative 2 plus 1, negative 1, 0, 1. Minus 1 to the left side, negative 3, negative 4, and negative 5. Now, when x equal to negative 2, what is y? So just simply plug in negative 2 to your equation. So f of negative 2 equal to 2 times negative 2 squared plus 8 times negative 2 plus 3. So that is now equal to negative 2 squared is equal to 4 times 2, 8. So 8 minus 16, then plus 3. So what is now the value? 8 minus 16 plus 3. So this is negative 8 plus 3, negative 5. Okay, as I told you, so since your focus here is the value of A, when you are adding values here. What is our value of A? 2. So since that is 2, you will start always with the value of A, which is equal to 2. So you add 2, so meaning we double this 1 here, so we also double this 3. So instead of adding 3, add 6, plus 6, then plus 5. So this is now equal to plus 2, negative 3. Negative 3 plus 6 is now equal to 3. Okay, 3 plus 5 equal to, is it equal to 5?
No,
Oh,
standard.
so okay, so 10. 3 plus 10 equal to
13.
13. Now, we did not plug in any more zero, right? But when you go back to your equation, since it is in the standard form, automatically this is your constant term. What is the constant term of the function?
3.
That is equal to 3. Okay? So, just reflect now from the axis of symmetry. So, if this is negative 5, negative 3, this is your axis of symmetry, negative 2. So, the value here is also negative 3. This is equal to 3. And then, equal to 13. Okay, next is example number 4. Okay, example number 4 is only making a table because this is already in the vertex form. No need for you to solve for the value of h and the value of k. It is already given. Okay, this is x, y. 1, 2, 3. Position of the vertex. 1, 2, 3. Okay, what is the vertex? This is already in the vertex form.
3.
Equal to
3.
3. So 3, therefore plus 1, 4, 5, and then 6 minus 1, 2, 1, 0. If this is equal to 3, since upward, this is a minimum value. This is equal to 2. If this is equal to 2, since your a is equal to 1, you will add 1 to 2 to get the value of y when x equal to 4. What is plus 1 root 2?
3.
Okay, 3. Plus 3 equal to 6. Plus 5 equal to 11. Okay, so no need for you to solve again to the other side of the table of values. Just reflect 3. So since you already identified your axis of symmetry, 3, 6, and then 11. As I told you again, if you're going to add, okay, this is not in the standard form. But if you square negative 3, that is equal to 9 plus 2 equal to 11. Okay, next, number 5. X, Y. 1, 2, 3. Vertex, 1, 2, 3. So this is your vertex. The vertex is negative 4 and negative 6. Plus 1 to the right, that is equal to negative 3, negative 2, negative 1. Minus 1 to the left, negative 5, negative 6, and then negative 7. Okay, what are you going to add here? What are you going to add? Add or subtract?
Subtract.
Subtract what value?
2.
2. Why?
Because A is equal to 2.
Okay, because the A is equal to negative 2. So you subtract 2. What is negative 6 plus negative 2?
Negative 4.
Negative 8. That is going downward. Okay? Negative 8, and then you double the 3, it becomes 6 times negative because this is negative 2. So minus 6 instead of minus 3. So negative 8 plus negative 6,
Negative 14.
negative 14. Then, what is next?
Negative 24.
Negative. So what are we going to add here? Negative 10. Negative 24. Okay, and then reflect now. Negative 8, negative 14, then negative 24. Okay, and then for number 6, you do that also. Instead of adding 2, we start with adding 3. Then adding 3 times 3, 9. So add 3, add 9, and then add 15.